I was scrolling through Amazon, looking for some cool outdoor gadgets, and guess what I found? A hidden BBQ setup that you might not even know about. If you love grilling or know someone who does, these products could make your next BBQ a game changer. And trust me, the fifth one is essential if you want to make your grilling experience cleaner and more efficient. Let's check them out. First up, the heart of any BBQ setup, the grill itself. The Weber Spirit 2 is a total game changer for anyone serious about outdoor cooking. With 3 burners and a spacious cooking area, you can cook up everything from burgers and steaks to veggies and seafood, all at once. What makes this grill stand out is its porcelain-enameled cast iron grates, which retain heat really well and give you that perfect sear on your food. Plus, it's compatible with the iGrill 3 smart technology, allowing you to monitor your food's temperature through your phone. It even has an open cart design that gives you extra space for your grilling tools. But here's the big question, does it really make grilling easier? Based on what I've seen from customer reviews and video clips, people love how evenly it cooks and how easy it is to use. It's perfect for backyard BBQs or even larger gatherings. What stands out is its great heat retention, spacious cooking area, and smart tech compatibility. But it's a bit pricey, and the iGrill 3 feature is sold separately. Check out the links in the description. What's a great grill without the right tools? That's where this next gadget comes in. The Cuisinart Deluxe 20-piece grill set has everything you need to feel like a pro griller. This kit includes spatulas, tongs, skewers, basting brushes, corn holders, and even a digital temperature fork, all packed neatly in a sleek aluminum carrying case. The best part about this set is how convenient it is. Everything you need is in one place, so you don't have to go searching for your tools while your food is on the grill. Whether you're grilling at home or taking your setup on the road, this set keeps everything organized and ready to go. But do these tools actually make grilling easier? Based on what I've seen, yes. They're durable, well-made, and convenient for both beginners and experienced grillers. Let's talk about the pros and cons. It's a complete set with durable tools and a portable case. But the case isn't super sturdy, so you'll need to handle it carefully. Ever struggled to get your meat cooked just right? The ThermoMaven wireless Bluetooth meat thermometer is a must-have gadget for anyone serious about grilling. It comes with 4 probes, allowing you to monitor multiple cuts of meat at the same time. And the best part, it connects to your phone via Bluetooth. This thermometer gives you real-time updates on your meat's temperature, so you don't have to keep opening the grill to check. It's especially useful for low and slow cooking like smoking brisket or ribs, where precise temperature control is key. But does it really work? Based on the feedback I've seen, this gadget is a game changer for grilling enthusiasts. It helps eliminate guesswork and ensures your food is cooked perfectly every time. It's accurate, easy to use, and allows for hands-off monitoring, but it can be a bit tricky to set up for first-time users. Check out the links in the description. Now, let's talk flavor. The Rubwise BBQ Rub Gift Set is a collection of handcrafted rubs that will take your BBQ to the next level. This set includes a variety of flavors, from sweet and smoky to spicy and bold, making it perfect for any type of meat. What's great about these rubs is that they're versatile. You can use them on ribs, chicken, brisket, or even veggies. They're also made with high-quality ingredients, so you get that authentic BBQ flavor in every bite. But do they really enhance the taste? According to customer reviews, these rubs are a hit at BBQ parties. They're easy to use and add a ton of flavor without the need for complex marinades, a variety of flavors and high-quality ingredients. But some of the flavors might be a bit too bold for certain tastes. This next product is essential if you want to make your grilling experience cleaner and more efficient. The Kona BBQ grill mat is reusable, non-stick, and heat-resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for grilling smaller items like vegetables, shrimp, or even bacon without worrying about them falling through the grates. What makes this grill mat a must-have is how easy it makes cleanup. You don't have to deal with burnt-on food or messy grates. Just rinse the mat off, and it's good to go for your next cookout. It also helps keep your grill looking brand new by preventing food from sticking to the grates. Plus, it's great for delicate foods like fish that might fall apart on a regular grill. But does it really work? Based on what I've seen, these mats are a lifesaver for keeping your grill clean and preventing food from sticking. Many users say it's their go-to for grilling vegetables and smaller items without any hassle. It's reusable, non-stick, and makes cleanup a breeze, but it might not hold up well under extremely high heat for extended periods. Check out the links in the description. Next, let's talk about grilling kebabs. The stainless steel BBQ skewers set is a simple but essential upgrade for any griller. These skewers are reusable, easy to clean, and made from high-quality stainless steel. The best part? They have a flat design, which means your food won't spin around when you're flipping it on the grill. This makes grilling kebabs a lot easier and more enjoyable. They're also longer than most disposable skewers, which means you can fit more food on each one. And because they're stainless steel, they won't absorb flavors or odors, unlike wooden skewers. But do they really make a difference? From what I've seen, absolutely. These skewers are sturdy, practical, and a great alternative to disposable wooden ones. Plus, they're perfect for making shish kebabs, vegetable skewers, or even grilling marshmallows. They're reusable, easy to clean, and prevent food from spinning. But they can get quite hot, so you'll need to use caution when handling them. Let's talk about the gooseneck light torch, the perfect solution for nighttime grilling. We've all been there. The sun goes down, the BBQ party continues, but suddenly you can't see your grill. You're using your phone's flashlight or relying on a porch light that just doesn't do the job. That's where this torch comes in. This flexible, battery-powered torch lets you direct light exactly where you need it. The gooseneck design means you can adjust the angle and position of the light to illuminate the entire grill surface, keeping your hands free to focus on cooking. No more guessing whether your steak is medium rare or burnt to a crisp. It's also weather resistant, so even if you're grilling in a little drizzle or wind, the light stays strong. And it has a magnetic base, which means you can attach it to your grill or any metal surface for hands-free lighting. Imagine sticking it to the side of your grill, adjusting the light, and having your cooking station perfectly lit, all without holding anything. The best part? It's not just for grilling. You can use it for camping, fixing your car, or any task that requires hands-free light in dark spaces. It's a versatile tool that's great to have around. It's perfect for outdoor cooks and BBQ enthusiasts. But the battery compartment might be a bit tricky to open, so keep that in mind. Let's talk about keeping your grill clean. Meet the GrillBot automatic grill cleaning robot. It's like a Roomba, but for your BBQ. This motorized scrubber works on its own to clean your grill grates, so you don't have to. What makes this gadget stand out is how simple it is to use. You just place it on your grill, press a button, and it starts scrubbing away. It comes with heavy-duty brushes that rotate to remove grease and burnt-on food, and it even has a built-in timer to stop automatically when it's done. No more standing over a hot grill scrubbing for ages. The best part? It works on all types of grill grates, whether they're made of porcelain, stainless steel, or cast iron. It's especially useful after a long cookout, when you'd rather sit back and relax than worry about cleaning. It's a great way to keep your grill looking brand new with minimal effort. But it might not be as effective for deep cleaning heavily soiled grates. Check out the links in the description. Let's talk about another cleaning tool. The Grillert Grill Brush is a bristle-free brush that's designed to clean your grates thoroughly without leaving any loose bristles behind. This brush is sturdy, effective, and ensures that your grill stays in top shape, which is essential for great-tasting food. It's safe to use on all types of grills and helps prevent any leftover food from contaminating your next meal. The long handle makes it easy to clean your grill without getting your hands too close to the heat. And because it's bristle-free, it's safer than traditional brushes that can leave dangerous bristles behind. Does it really work? From what I've seen, yes. It's one of the safest and most effective ways to keep your grill clean. Many users love how quickly it removes stuck-on food and grease without damaging the grates. It's bristle-free, safe, and effective. But it might require more effort to clean heavily soiled grates. Finally, let's talk about a simple but essential BBQ tool. BBQ Butler heat-resistant gloves. These aren't just any gloves, they're made to withstand extreme heat, making them perfect for grilling, smoking, and handling hot food straight from the grill. These gloves are made from a heat-resistant material that can handle temperatures up to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. That means you can safely move hot grill grates, pans, or even grab a sizzling steak without burning your hands. Plus, they're insulated with a soft inner lining, making them super comfortable to wear. What's great is that they provide a secure grip, thanks to the silicone pattern on the surface. So, even if your hands get a little greasy, you'll still have a firm hold on your tools or food. They're perfect for both outdoor grilling and indoor cooking. but they might feel a bit bulky for people who prefer a thinner glove for more dexterity. If you're looking for a way to handle hot food and grill items safely, check out the links in the description. If any of these gadgets caught your eye, check out the links in the description. And if you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts.